Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to rearrange, disable and delete iMessage apps on your iPhone running iOS 17. So let's dive right in. With the latest iOS 17 update, Apple has made some changes to the Messages app. The iMessage app section at the top of the keyboard is now gone. Instead, iMessage apps have been relocated to a new app drawer which you can access using the plus button present at the top left of the keyboard. By default, you will see options like camera, photos, stickers, location and audio. If you want to see a list of all your iMessage apps, simply tap the More button. Now you will be able to see all the iMessage apps available to you. Now let's talk about rearranging the iMessage apps on your iPhone running iOS 17. It's actually quite simple. To rearrange the order of an app, all you need to do is tap and hold on the app and then drag it to the place you want. You can also drag an app from the More section of the iMessage app gallery and add it to the top. It's that easy. But what if you want to remove or delete an iMessage app? Well, you can't do it directly from the Messages app. You will need to use the iOS Settings app to do this. Let me walk you through the steps. First, launch the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll down to find the Messages app. Tap to open it. Inside the Messages settings, you will see an option called iMessage apps. Tap on it to see the list of all the iMessage apps. On this page, you can simply turn off the toggle next to the app you don't want to see anymore. This will disable the iMessage app from appearing in your app drawer. It's important to note that you can only disable iMessage app using this method. If you want to permanently delete an iMessage app, you will have to delete its corresponding app from the iPhone. For example, if you want to delete the Google Maps iMessage app, you will need to delete the Google Maps app from your iPhone. As you can see, after we delete the Google Maps iMessage app, it no longer appears in our iMessage app drawer. And that's how you can rearrange, disable and delete iMessage apps on your iPhone running iOS 17. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you find it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Until next time, take care and bye bye.